What's up friends, Andre here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows clock time incorrect. So if you currently have incorrect time on your PC, let's say it's out of sync or you haven't turned on your computer for a while, whatever it is that causes your PC to be having a wrong time, then I'm going to show you how to fix that. Now, all you have to do is just right click on the taskbar and go to taskbar settings. And from the left side, click on time and language, and here you will find the option for date and time. Now, what I recommend that you do is to click on the date and time and just check to see if you have the automatic time zone selected. Right at the top as well, you can check to see if you have your correct time zone and your country or region is set correctly. If this is not set correctly, I recommend that you just go back one step and just go to language and region here. And here you will find under the section for region, you will find the option that says country or region, and you want to select the country that you're currently in. Now, once you have the country that you're currently in is set, then you know that you're on the first step to the right path to ensure that this is set correctly. Now, once the country that you're in is set correctly, guys, just go back and just go to date and time. And here you can just try to toggle off and toggle on the automatic time. If you do that and after a couple seconds you don't see this change, you can try to restart the PC and see if it fixes the problem. But if not, I would recommend that you just turn off the set time automatically, and you will be able to expand this and ensure that you set your time zone correctly. So you can go ahead and look for the correct time zone that matches your country, and this would be another thing that you need to do. But generally, if you restart a PC and you have it turned on, then this should work without any problem. If you're still facing problem with the time, you can do this manually by turn off the set time automatically. Turn off this feature and it's going to open or expand and give you the option to change the time manually. So you can click and change here and just go ahead and set the correct date right here. So you can always click and set the correct date and year and month. And then from the time here, you can go ahead and you can set this, right? You can set the time right here to set whatever you want. You can just scroll through and find whatever time you want. And then once you select it, whether it's AM, PM, you can go ahead and select them as well. And then you click and change. Now, another thing that I want to mention to you is this. If you don't want to use the 24-hour or the 12-hour clock that you see here, you can always go ahead and basically change that to 24-hour if you want to change that as well. This basically is under the section here where you see change date and time format. You can click on that. And so you want to look for where it shows the long time symbol, and you can click the drop down here and you can just simply change this to 24-hour or the 12-hour clock, as you can see here. And guys, this in short should fix it for you, and you should be able to fix your Windows clock time if it's incorrect on your Windows PC or laptop.